Welcome to the tutorial on creating a new user account and monitoring resources. Let's get started. Begin by opening any web browser. Navigate to Monitoring Resources, or by typing in www.monitoringresources.org. You can now see that you are on the monitoringresources.org landing page. In the upper right-hand corner, you can then click the Join button to create a new user account. To create an account, you will need to select a preferred username. Enter your email address, and again for confirmation. Enter your first and last name. Select your time zone, and whether or not you are a private individual or if you are associated with an organization. If you are associated with an organization, you will need to search and select the organization you are a part of. If the organization you are a part of is not listed, you will need to request a new organization. Enter your organization's name and URL if available. Once this form is complete, select I am not a robot and create an account. The following page will appear. You will receive the following email. Please check your spam and bulk inbox folders. The link provided will verify your account with Monitoring Resources and will expire in 7 days. Once selected, you will be prompted to re-enter your username and create a password for your new Monitoring Resources account. Once verified, you will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of the Monitoring Resources license agreement. Select Login in the top right-hand corner of the web page and enter your account information. Once signed in, you can view your profile information by clicking on your name in the upper right-hand corner of the ribbon. To view your created content, select Portfolio and the type of document you are looking for. Thank you for joining me for creating a user account in monitoringresources.org. For more details on creating methods, protocols, and sample designs, please see our additional training videos.